Welcome, my dear friends, to a journey into the heart of Sindh, Pakistan. We are venturing to a place of quite extraordinary beauty, the district of Sanghar. Imagine, if you will, a land where two vastly different worlds meet in a spectacular embrace. On one side, you have the majestic sweep of the Thar Desert with its rolling dunes and ancient mysteries. And on the other, the life-giving waters that create lush, fertile plains, a vibrant green against the golden sands. This unique convergence is what makes Sangha so utterly captivating, a hidden gem waiting to share its secrets with us. It's a place that truly sparks the imagination and calls to the adventurous spirit within. This remarkable meeting of landscapes is not just a visual spectacle, it's the very soul of Sanghar. It dictates the way of life, the flora, the fauna, and the stories that have been woven into the fabric of this region for centuries. Exploring Sanghar is like stepping into a living painting where the artist has used the boldest of strokes and the most vibrant of colors. So, come with me, let us uncover the wonders of Sanghar, this unique jewel of Sindh. The geography of Sanghar is quite simply a marvel. Picture the vast expanse of the Thar Desert, which forms a significant part of this region. Here, colossal sand dunes, sculpted by the wind into magnificent, ever-changing shapes, stretch as far as the eye can see. These dunes, sometimes called peat in the local Sindhi language, can rise to impressive heights, creating a landscape that is both awe-inspiring and beautifully desolate. Then, as if by magic, this arid wilderness gives way to incredibly fertile plains. This transformation is largely thanks to the lifeblood of the region, the intricate network of canals and irrigation systems that draw water from the mighty Indus River. These waters have turned parts of Sanghar into a veritable agricultural oasis. You'll see vast fields of cotton, sugarcane, wheat and mango orchards, creating a patchwork quilt of vibrant green. This stark contrast between the sandy desert and the cultivated lands is what makes Sanghar's landscape so uniquely compelling. The desert areas themselves are not devoid of life or character. They possess a unique ecosystem, adapted to the harsh conditions. Sanghar offers this incredible journey from the wild, untamed beauty of the desert to the serene, productive beauty of the agricultural plains. Sanghar is blessed with some truly remarkable natural attractions. Places where water and wilderness combine to create havens of biodiversity. Perhaps the most significant of these is the Chotiari wetland complex. This vast complex is a unique man-made reservoir, but it has become an incredibly important ecological site. It comprises a series of interconnected lakes, marshes and reservoirs, creating a diverse aquatic environment. The scale of it is quite breathtaking, a shimmering expanse of water that attracts an astonishing array of bird life, especially during the migratory seasons. Another beautiful jewel in Sanghar's natural crown is Bakar Lake. This natural freshwater lake is a sight to behold, particularly when its waters are calm, reflecting the vast blue sky above. Then there is the Maki forest, a significant natural woodland area that adds another layer to Sanghar's diverse landscape. It's a crucial habitat for various mammals, reptiles and birds, offering them shelter and food. These natural attractions, Chotiari, Bakar Lake and the Maki Forest, are more than just pretty places. They are vital ecosystems that support a rich variety of life and play a crucial role in the environmental health of the region. The unique geography of Sanghar, with its blend of desert, wetlands and cultivated plains, supports a surprisingly rich tapestry of flora and fauna. In the desert regions, the plant life is, of course, adapted to aridity. You'll find hardy shrubs, drought-resistant grasses and acacia trees, known locally as kikar or babul. These plants are masters of survival, their roots digging deep for moisture, their leaves often small to reduce water loss. The wetlands, such as the Chotiari complex and Bakar Lake, are bursting with aquatic and semi-aquatic plant life. Reeds, rushes, and various water lilies flourish here, creating a lush green environment that is a haven for wildlife. When it comes to fauna, Sanghar is a delight for wildlife enthusiasts. The wetlands are particularly famous for their bird life. During the winter months, they become a crucial stopover point for migratory birds traveling along the Indus Flyway. Beyond the birds, the region is also home to mammals like desert foxes, jackals, jungle cats, and various rodent species adapted to the desert environment. The varied habitats, from the rolling dunes of the Thar to the life-filled waters of the Chotiari wetlands and the cover of the Maki forest, all contribute to this richness. Sanghar truly offers a remarkable glimpse into the natural world, showcasing how life flourishes in even the most challenging and contrasting environments. Section 5. The Rhythms of Sanghar. Climate and Ideal Visiting Times. Understanding the climate of Sangha is key to planning a comfortable and enjoyable visit, my dears. Being part of the Sindh province, Sangha experiences a climate that is predominantly hot and arid, especially in its desert regions. Summers, which typically last from April to June, can be extremely hot, with temperatures often soaring well above 40 degrees Celsius. The monsoon season usually arrives in July and can last through August or early September. While Sangha doesn't receive as much rainfall as some other parts of Pakistan, the monsoon showers bring a welcome respite from the intense summer heat. The best time to visit Sangha and truly appreciate its natural beauty and cultural richness is during the cooler winter months. This period generally stretches from November to February. During these months, the weather is absolutely delightful. Sangha in winter is a true delight, offering a warm welcome and showcasing its diverse landscapes in their most inviting state. Section 6. Echoes from Bygone Eras, a glimpse into Sanghar's rich past. Sangha is not just a land of stunning natural beauty, it is also steeped in history, a place where the echoes of ancient civilizations and bygone eras resonate through time. The region of Sindh, where Sangha is located, has been a cradle of civilization for millennia, and Sangha itself has played its part in this long and fascinating story. Archaeological findings in and around the district suggest human habitation dating back thousands of years. Over the centuries, Sangha has witnessed the rise and fall of various empires and dynasties. The influence of different cultures and rulers has left an indelible mark on the region's heritage. These historical layers make exploring the district an even more rewarding experience as you uncover not just natural wonders but also human history. Understanding this historical context enriches any visit to Sangha. It's a journey through time as much as through landscape. Section 7. Cultural Chronicles, unveiling Sanghar's heritage sites. While Sangha might be more renowned for its natural landscapes, it also holds several sites of historical and cultural significance that offer a fascinating glimpse into its past. These places may not always be grand monuments, but they are rich in stories and local importance. Often these sites are intrinsically linked to the Sufi traditions that are so prevalent in Sindh. The shrines or dargahs of Sufi saints are important spiritual centers for the local communities, attracting devotees who come to pay their respects and seek blessings. These places are vibrant with culture, music, and a deep sense of devotion. Beyond the shrines, there are areas with archaeological potential, remnants of older settlements, and historic mosques or community buildings that tell the tale of Sanghar's evolution. The cultural points of interest also include the vibrant local bazaars, where traditional crafts, textiles, and local produce can be found. Engaging with the local culture, whether by visiting a historical site, experiencing the atmosphere of a shrine, or simply observing daily life in a village, provides a richer, more complete picture of Sangha. Section 8. Your journey to Sangha, essential travel insights. Planning your adventure to the captivating district of Sangha is quite straightforward, my dears, with a few key considerations. Sangha town, the district headquarters, is reasonably well connected by road to other major cities in Sindh, such as Hyderabad and Karachi. The best time to visit Sangha is undoubtedly during the cooler winter months, from November to February. Packing layers is advisable, as evenings can get cool, particularly if you venture into the desert. Comfortable walking shoes are an absolute must, as you'll likely be doing a fair bit of exploring. When it comes to accommodation, Sangha town offers a range of options, from basic guest houses to more comfortable local hotels. Always ensure you have access to safe drinking water. Bottled water is widely available. Sangha has so much to offer, and the warmth of its people will surely make your journey a memorable one. Section 9. Sanghar's unforgettable charm. A call to the curious explorer. In Sangha, we have discovered a land of quite breathtaking contrasts and profound beauty. It is a place where the stark majesty of the Thar Desert yields almost magically to the life-giving green of irrigated plains. From the vast, shimmering expanse of the Chotiari wetland complex, teeming with birdlife, to the tranquil waters of Bakar Lake and the surprising sanctuary of the Maki forest, Sangha offers a feast for the senses for any nature lover. But Sangha's allure extends far beyond its natural splendors. It is a district steeped in history, with echoes of ancient civilizations and bygone eras whispering through its sands and settlements. For the intrepid traveler, the nature enthusiast, the history buff, or simply the curious soul seeking authentic experiences, Sangha is a destination that truly delivers. Therefore, I wholeheartedly encourage you to consider Sangha for your next adventure. Sangha is waiting, my friends, to share its unforgettable charm.